Welcome back, students, to the last part of your speech writing series for now. So this is the fifth part, and the fifth writing skill or the fifth speech that we are going to write is about education is the answer to corruption. So now again we need to explain how education is important and how we can get rid of corruption just because people are educated. So the points that they have mentioned: values inculcated in us form the basis of our personality. So in this point, what are they trying to tell us? That whatever values we learn in the school or we learn at home, that is what shapes our personality. We become as per the values that we have been given in our childhood. So this is the first point. The second one: school helps us to enhance our personality. Yes, it is school who trains us, who teaches us, or what training we get into your school days is what carries forward throughout your lifetime. So school helps us to enhance. Yes. The third point: we develop our perspective of right and wrong. Yes, this is because once we start getting educated, once we start learning new things, we try to, or we ought to, make a difference, and we realize the difference between something that is right and something that is wrong. So sometimes when you go through some situation, you yourself realize that no, this is wrong, I should not do this, or yes, this is right, and if I do this will be beneficial. So this perspective of right and wrong comes through education only. The next point: we should prevent social evils from taking roots in our mind. Yes, because now there are lots of things that distract us. There are lots of you could say lots of ideas that come into your mind, you feel are right, but then we need to be sure. The last point: education is the best way to beat corruption. So we need to say how education will avoid corruption. No doubt, first thing we would also need to speak about would be corruption in the field of education as well. Okay, so corruption would be reduced once the citizen of a country are educated. Okay, so we'll read the answer next.
Good morning, respected principal and teachers as well as my fellow students. I, Mandira Pai, am going to talk about the importance of education with respect to corruption. We are taught about the values of an ideal citizen since our childhood. Our parents tell us that we shouldn't lie, and this forms the basis of our personality. In school, our personality is further molded as we learn how to be good to others, through subjects like value education. We also learn how to put into practice the principles that we learn, and thus a good education lays down the foundation of a good character. Once we've inculcated these values and formed our own perspective of right and wrong, we can't be influenced to do bad things. Education does not have to just be in school, and similarly going to school doesn't guarantee a good character. It is up to all of us to know the difference and admit what we are doing isn't the right thing so we can correct it. Social evils like corruption cannot take root in a mind that is open and accepting, as well as humble and discriminating. Knowledge and understanding stop us from falling prey to such tendencies and allow us to be a better citizen. If the future generation is similarly enlightened, we can weed out corruption and all other problems. Therefore, I believe that education is the best answer to corruption. Thank you for giving me the chance to present my views on this vital topic with all of you.